This one sounds like another bottle cap here.
I still know.
A lot of bottle caps back here, but gotta get through them, you know. Pin pointer is just, come on, baby. Another bottle cap. Or it could be a coin.
I've been hit on by 3 times.
It's a buckle, man.
Huh?
Got an old buckle, yeah.
Nice.
Check it
And
out, man.
I carry good insurance on my car.
Fine, bro.
Right there, man. Got an old buckle right there. It's an oldie.
Nice.
Probably from the 70s.
Copper?
Parody. Yeah.
Brass?
Brass.
Oh, that's sweet.
Brass, plated.
You should be using the Simplex, man. I found a table saw on the side of the house.
Really? So did I. I saw that one too, man.
I wouldn't plug it into my house.
Okay, so just a watch buckle. Nothing special. I'm gonna go down to 14 kilohertz, see if it changes a little bit. No, I'm gonna go to 20 kilohertz because it'll get through that iron a lot better. I'm liking that one. Nail. Whew, boy.
They don't do nothing for me. I mean, I like gummies though. I just like gummy bears and gummy worms. We have a girl that, well now when we met her she was 5 and she's a detector. She has a YouTube channel and stuff like that. Little dirt diggers, came on cell phone. She lives in Georgia and she lives on a property that's been in her family for like 7 or 8 generations. And we're really good friends with her. Well then she sent me
Just so many nails here.
She started a business selling worms. Kind of a prankster. She's a wild little kid.
No tone to it. There's no tone to it right there. That nail, it's just ridiculous. I'm gonna go get the Simplex here in a minute. See if it'll perform back here. Probably not with all these nails here. It's too big of a coil.
It was all on the honor system. I had a cooler with worms in them, and if you wanted them, they were fucking $2, and you left $2, and you took your dozen worms. Nobody ever ripped me out.